Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Wafal Faris and my study number is 107. I will bringing the procedure of English materials development. So moving to the first section, that is selecting. So, what actually is selecting? By the definition of Tomlinson, selecting is a process of choosing appropriate material based on learner needs, objective, and context, while Richards concluding that selecting involves identifying materials that match the curriculum and the learner proficiency level. By this definition of Tom Tomlinson and Richard, we can conclude that is selecting is a process of choosing appropriate material that involve identifying material that match the curriculum and the learner proficiency level. So, for the case and the result, a study by Widodo in 2015 showed that when the teacher selected local-based text, students show more engagement and better comprehension. So, for the cases, there is Mr. Widodo selected a local-based text and the students show more engagement and better comprehension because the the selected local-based texts are more native to the student, and the student can actually comprehend the material inside it. So moving on to the example, as an example, there is choosing a short story related to student culture, folklore for a reading class to improve relatability. Moving on to the grading. Grading, by the definition of Noonan in 1988, grading refers to organizing contents according to difficulty or complexity. But Dubin and Osteen in 1987, it is sequencing of content to match student linguistic level and learning capacity. Judging by, by both of it, grading can refer as organizing content to match student linguistic level and learning capacity. So for the case and result is a curriculum development project in Thailand graded vocabulary from high frequency word to academic term, resulting in 30% vocabulary retention increase. Superhag 27 2017. For the example is starting with present tense verb in level 1 and introducing past perfect only at level 4. Moving on, that is adapting. So the definition is by McLeod and Shaw Masuhara in 2013. Adapting is modifying material to better suit learner needs or teaching condition. And meanwhile, Tomlinson in 1998, it includes adding, omitting, simplifying, or reordering content. For the case and result, there is a teacher in Indonesia adapted a British English dialogue to Indonesian context, which increases the student comprehension and participation. And from the example is simplifying complex instruction in a textbook for low proficiency learner. Moving on to the designing the definition of designing by Grave in 2000. So is designing is creating material for scratch with specific learning goals. But for Noonan in 1988, it is the planning of tasks that tend to shape learning experience. For the case and result, there is university designing ESP or English for specific purpose material for nursing student, which led to improved patient interaction simulation. For the example, there is creating a dialogue practice set for a hotel staff, including check-in and compliant handling press. Moving on to the evaluating. So the definition of evaluating by Collinsworth in 1995 is evaluating is judging the effectiveness and suitability of material. Meanwhile, Tomlinson in 2012, it includes both predictive before use and retrospective after use evaluation. For the case and result is an evaluation study in Malaysia found that many commercial textbooks fail to address speaking skill, thus school adopted supplementary material. And for the example, there is teacher using checklist to review textbook alignment with curriculum goals and learner needs. So thank you very much for tuning in. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.